Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, it feels like it's been a minute. So it feels like it's been a minute since I have recorded an intro. I don't know why I feel like that. I mean, it's been a week, but usually I record like 3 times a week. So I guess since I haven't recorded since last Monday and today is Tuesday, it has me feeling a little bit off. But today's unit comes from KlaiyiHair. I hope I'm pronouncing their name correctly. This is a true brown straight texture unit today that we'll be reviewing. So if you guys are interested in seeing it, make sure you continue to watch. I would really appreciate it. Also, before we jump into the video, you can subscribe to my channel as well as hit the notification bell as well so you can be notified when I upload. You can also follow me on my other socials. They'll be here on my screen and they'll be in my description bar below. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Alright y'all, and we are done with the install. That was actually a very simple install, so if you guys are looking for something that's going to be very easy, beginner friendly, this would definitely be a unit to try out. So I'm going to read out some of the information about the unit. It'll also be in my description bar as well. So this is their 24-inch straight lace part wig, and it's in the color 4. So 4 is a brown, more brown shade than black. It's literally a true brown, like you're getting very dark chocolate brown color hair. The density of this unit is 150%. It also has a faux scalp that is installed right here in the front of the unit where your lace space is. Now I left mine with a middle part because you know your girl loves her middle parts, but the way the hair is made, you could possibly make you a left part or right part, but you have to keep in mind that you only have so much lace space right here. It also goes back about 5 inches here. Now the way they have the hairline made where the lace actually is, you can pluck it some or leave it as is. I wanted mine to look a little bit more thinned out, so I did go in and pluck it as well as pluck the part. Now like I did mention, it does have the faux scalp in the inside. I personally am not a huge fan of the faux scalps, but they do help a little bit. It helps in the sense of if you get a unit with lace and you don't feel like or feel very comfortable with bleaching the hair or bleaching the lace, I'm sorry, not bleaching the hair, bleaching the lace, this would definitely be one to go to for you because you don't have to do any bleaching in terms of the knot or lace or anything. Now I did go in and add some makeup to my parting space because it was looking a little bit more, I could see knots and I wanted it to be a little bit more light, so I added some makeup so it could actually be more visible, and I definitely think it looks pretty visible, definitely here on camera. The hairline actually blended in pretty well. I used only the Got To Be gel on my lace today to have it stay in place. Now you can wear this unit glueless, but I wanted to see how I can melt the lace into my skin with product, so I used the gel. Now it also comes with combs on it so it can help with the security of it. You have some 2 combs right here on the side of your temples. I actually am using them. I have them connected in, and then you also get the comb in the back as well as the adjustable straps. Now just to rate this unit on how I like it, I really like it. Okay, so I'm gonna have to give it a 10 out of 10. I'm having no issues with it. It's definitely gonna be a run to wig when I just need a really cute, simple, sleek style to slay in. And I love the number 4 also. I love a good brown tone, so I don't have any issues with it at all. There was no tangling, of course, no shedding in it, like literally 0 amount of shedding. The only shedding that did happen was when I plucked it to pull the rest of the hair out from the plucking that I did, but that was literally it. It's a great quality wig. So if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out my description bar below. I will have the direct link there. You can also check out their website and see all of the other units that they also provide, so you can try those out. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. Thank you again to KlaiyiHair Hair for sending over today's wig. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.